like to call the next caller. Jose!
Hello.
Oh, such a calming voice. Hello. Please introduce yourself.
Roses are red, the fire of my heart is blue. Also known as I know you got time on your hands. I am Elizabeth Rosebloodflame. Lovely to see you. Lovely.
Lovely. Hi, Liz.
Quick version for you.
Thank
Hi.
you.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. I wanted to call you because... Yeah, I wanted to call Liz because, you know, she's always... We haven't had many collabs, but Liz is always coming to my streams and supporting me. And when she's in Japan, I was always crashing out with you.
Hey, you're fine.
And
no, I love like tuning into your streams and saying hi and
thank
lurking.
you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Right back at you in a reverse.
I have one question.
I love seeing you at the studio and giving you a hug.
Yes. Oh my god, Liz gives the best hugs. Don't tell Ina I said that.
Don't tell Ina.
Anyway,
Ina does give great hugs.
She does.
Sorry.
She
Anyway.
really does. I have one question for you. What would you like to see from Ina? Look away, Ina! What do you want to see from Belle's Hakers in her activities from now on?
Okay, passion Japanese because I wrote this bit in advance because I thought maybe JP senpais might like to hear as well. Dei senpai ga kore kara mo yume wo kanate passion wo todokete iku sugata wo mitai desu. Uta to dansu wa kotoba ga wakaran nakute mo hito wo shiawase ni dekiru kara. Dei senpai no saino desu. Minna ga egao ni narano ga daisuki desu. Yeah, I just want to see you do more and more things you're excited about and makes you most happiest. I love seeing people's passion, and seeing your passion with your dancing and singing is absolutely amazing and wonderful to witness. So I just want to keep seeing that and seeing you achieve your dreams and goals and pushing yourself, not only in dancing and performing and stuff, but also, you know, doing what you love. And yeah, onwards and upwards, Space Senpai!
Thank you! That's so sweet! Thank you!
My passion in Japanese.
It was so good. 10 out of 10.
Japanese, thank you.
10 out of 10.
Ariga, thank you so much.
Ariga, thank you. You're so... Dozo... Welcome. Dozo... How does that work? Itashima I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. Thank you for coming, Liz.
Hey, no worries.
Thank
Love you.
Bye. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, for sure. Have a great rest of your anniversary talky talk.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.